Namaha children. Today we are going to see arithmetic progression exercise 5.3 from 4th sum onwards. Okay, yes, part 2. See the 4th sum. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay, we are going to find number of terms in this place. They asked us to find the number of terms. Okay, shall we find it? Yeah. See the solution. First, we have to find how many terms. So, we are supposed to find n in this place. So, and what is given? AP is given here. 9, 17, 25. So, A is equal to 9 and D is equal to either 17 minus 9 or 25 minus 17. Okay, we will get the same answer only. Okay, so A2 minus A1 is equal to, so that is 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Okay, and they have given that SN sum of these AP, right? So we are going to use the formula SN is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So instead of this sum, what is given? 636. So I am going to use 636 instead of SN. And we don't know n, that only we are going to find. So n by 2 into what is A? 9. So 2 into A plus what is n again? We don't know. Minus 1 and D is 8. Okay. And 636. Okay. 636 into 2 is equal to, because division 2 becomes multiplication 2 when it go that side. Okay, so n into 18 plus, I can write n into 8, 8n, minus 1 into 8, minus 8. So next, what can I write? 636 into 2 is equal to n into 18 minus 8 is what? 10. 10 plus 8n. Okay, so I can write 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, again 6 2s are 12. So 1272 is equal to n into 10, 10n plus n into 8n, I'll get 8n square. Okay, what is my next step? What is my next step here? And then I can write this, I can bring this 1272 this side, means it becomes minus 1272 is equal to 0. When I divide it by 2, what I'll get? 4n square plus 5n, yes, minus 636 is equal to 0. Okay, so here sum is equal to 5 and the product is equal to minus 636 into 4. So what we will get? Minus 636 into 4, 6 4s are 24, remaining 2, 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14, remaining 1, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. That is minus 2544. So when we multiply, we should get minus 2544, and when we subtract or add, we should get, okay, so if I multiply 53 into minus 48, I will get minus 2544, as well as when I subtract 53 minus 48, I'll get the sum of 5. Okay, yes. So the before number is 4, no? So n square, the variable of n square is coefficient of n square is 4. So I have to divide it by 4. When I divide it by 4, this I cannot divide, so I can divide this. 4 ones are, then 4 12s are. Okay, so I can write this n plus 53 by 4 and n minus 12 is equal to 0. And here we will not say the number of terms in negative as well as in fraction. Yes, so here we are having n is equal to minus 53 by 4. That is rejected because I told that we will not say the number of terms in the fraction or else in negative. So I am rejecting this. So we will get n is equal to 12. So the number of terms is, therefore the number of terms is equal to 12. Okay, do you understand this sum, children? Yes. Shall we move to the next sum? Yes. See the fifth sum. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Okay, shall we find this? Yes, listen. What is given? The first term of an AP is 5. It means A is equal to 5. The last term is 45, which means L is equal to 45. Sum is 400, that is Sn is equal to 400. Find the number of terms. Again, we are supposed to find the n and the common difference. Common difference is D. Okay, so we have to find n and D. Shall we? Yes. So, how will we find n? N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. But here we don't know D itself. So, we cannot use it. So, otherwise, what we can use? We know that Sn is given, no? So, using Sn formula, we can find Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. We will use this and find the n now. Sn, instead of Sn, we can substitute 400. N by 2 into what is A? 5. And what is L? 45. So, 400 is equal to n by 2 into 45 plus 5 is 50. And 2 ones are, 2 25s are, right? So, 400 divided by 25 is equal to n. Yes. So what will you get? 1s are 6. So n is equal to 16. Okay. Shall we find D now? Shall we find D now? Yes. So D is equal to, how will you find D? And we know an. We know an. Yes. L is an also. No, we can say L is also an an. Okay, so an is equal to, yes, A plus n minus 1 into D. Instead of an, I can use L, right? That is 45 is equal to 5 plus what we know that 16 is, n is 16 and 16 minus 1 into D. So 45 minus 5 is equal to plus 5 becomes minus 5 and 16 minus 1 is 15 into D. Okay, so 45 minus 5 is 40 and this into 15 becomes division 15. So 40 and 15 when I cancel, I'll get 8 by 3 using 5 table. Okay, so D I am getting 8 by 3. Do you understand? I got the common difference as well as the number of terms. Okay, do you understand this? Shall we move to the next question? Yeah, listen to the next question, children. The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum. Okay, so what is given? The first and last term is given. So what is the first term given? A is equal to 17 and the last term is given 350 and the common difference is 9. So D is equal to 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? Now how many terms means we should find n as well as what is their sum they are asking. So we are supposed to find Sn also. Okay, we are going to find n and Sn. Okay, so using this, let us find n. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So what is L? 350 minus 70 by 9 plus 1. So what is 350 minus 17? 333. Okay, 333 by 9 is plus 1. Okay, so when I cancel this, what I'll get? Using 9 table itself. Okay, using 9 table, 9 3s are 27, 63. So 37. So 37 plus 1, 38. I am getting n is equal to 38. So number of terms, how many terms they asked, no? So terms is equal to 30. Now I am going to find Sn. How can you find Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Okay, so I can write yes, 38 is equal to 38 by 2 into what is A? We have 17. 17 plus 350. Okay, so what is 17? Yes, Adha. See, 38 by 2, 17 plus 350 is 396. Yes, sorry, 367. When I cancel with the 2 table, I'll get 19. So when I multiply 19 into 367, I'll get 6,973. So this AP contains 38 terms of this AP. Okay, and the sum of this AP is 6,973. Do you understand how to find this? Yeah. Let us see the seventh sum. See the seventh sum, what is given? Find the first sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay. Yeah. Let us find what is given. D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. It means A22 is equal to 149. We are supposed to find sum of first 22 terms. It means S22 we have to find. Okay. So now I'm going to find A in this case. So how shall we find the A? Then we can substitute in this and we can find, no? So how can we find A? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I am going to use this formula. So A22 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1 into 7. A22 is 149. A plus 21 into 7. What is 21 into 7? 147. So 149 minus 147 is equal to A. So we are getting A is equal to 2. Now let us find Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay. Sn is nothing but S22 is equal to 22 by 2. Yes. What is A? We have found 2. plus the AL is the last term, right? So what is the last term? 149. So 149. Okay. So when I cancel, I'll get 11. So 11 into 151. What is 11 into 151? We will get 1661 while we multiply. Okay. So S22 is equal to 1661. Do you understand? Shall we go to the next sum, children? Yeah, listen to the next sum. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Shall we do this? Yeah, listen. See the eighth sum. A2 is equal to, that is A2. Second term was 14 means A2 is equal to 14 and third term is 18 means A3 is equal to 18. Okay. So how shall we write this? Yes, and we can write A2 is, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Using that, we can say that A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 means 1. Yeah, A plus D is given as 14. Okay, and A3, what is given? A3 is equal to, we can say A plus 2D is equal to 18. I'm going to take this as first one and this as second equation. I'm going to eliminate A in both the equation. When I eliminate, have to change the symbol. So when I change the symbol, when I subtract, yes, A and A get cancelled and I'll get minus D is equal to minus 4. That is D is equal to plus 4. Minus minus cancel. So D is equal to 4. Substitute D is equal to 4 in any one of the equation. Suppose if I substitute in first equation, I'll get A plus 4 is equal to 14. So A is equal to 14 minus 4. That is A is equal to 10. Now I know what is A and what is D. Okay. Now I'm going to find sum of 51 terms. Shall we find? Yes. S51 is equal to, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus n is what? 51 minus 1 into D is 4. Okay. So 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4. Yes, 50 into 4 is 200. Yeah. What is the next step I'll get? Listen. What is my next step? 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200 is 220. When I cancel, I'll get 110. When I multiply 51 into 110, I'll get 5610. Okay. So we have found the sum of 51 terms. Sum of 51 terms is 5610. Shall we do the next sum? Yeah, listen children. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Okay. Yeah, let us find it. Listen. So, what is given? Given that S7 is equal to 49 and S17 is equal to 289. Okay. We have to find the sum of first n terms. That is Sn we have to find. Okay. Yeah. First, let us write this. Yes. We know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So I am going to use S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2A plus 7 minus 1 into D. It means I'll get, instead of S7 I can write 49 into 7 by 2 into 2 into 2a plus 6d. Okay, so I can write 49 into 2 is equal to 7 by 7. Yeah, multiplication 7 becomes division 7, and division 2 becomes multiplication 2. Yeah, 2a plus 6d. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 14. Yeah, so 7 twos are 14. We can write 14 in this place, and is equal to 2a plus 60. I'm going to divide this into two table. Yeah, when I divide, I'll get a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is the first equation. Now I'm going to take S17 is equal to 289. Okay, S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus, yes, 17 minus 1 into d. It means what we will get. What is S17? 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into, yeah, I can write 2a plus 16d. Okay, so when I write 289 is equal to 17, when I take 2 outside, yes, 2 outside, a plus 8d. So I can cancel 2 in this place. Yes, so I'll get 289 divided by 17 is equal to a plus 8d. That 17 17s are 289. So I'll get a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is my second equation. And now I'm going to find a and d by eliminating these two equations. By using elimination method, I'm going to find a and d. Okay, yeah, listen carefully. What is the first one? A plus 3d is equal to 7. What is the second one? A plus 8d is equal to 17. When I subtract, a will get cancelled, and I'll get minus 5d is equal to minus 10. Minus cancel. D is equal to 10 by 5. That is 5 ones are, 5 twos are. I'm getting D is equal to 2. Now I'm going to substitute this 2 in any one of the equation. Then I'll get A. Okay. So I'm going to substitute D is equal to 2 in 1. When I substitute A plus 3D is equal to 7. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. That is A is equal to 1. Let us find the sum of n terms. Okay. So it means Sn. Okay. Shall we find it? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute a and d in this place, and let us find the sum of first n terms. Okay. So what is n? We don't know. We are going to keep that n as it is. By 2 into 1 instead of a 1, and n minus 1 into d is 2. Okay. So I can write n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. That is 2 to get cancelled. I'll have n by 2 is into 2n. Okay. So I can write this 2 to cancel. I'll get n square. So Sn is equal to n square. Sum of first n terms is equal to n square. Do you understand this, children? Shall we move to the last question? Yes. 10th one, show that A1, A2, etc. AN, etc. form an AP where AN is defined as below. First one, you see, AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. And second one, AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. We are going to form an AP, and then we are going to find the sum of first 15 terms. Okay. Shall we find it? Yes. Take the first one. What is given? AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. Suppose if I am finding the first term, that is A1. Instead of n, if I substitute 1, 3 plus 4 into 1. That is 3 plus 4 is 7. Then if I find A2, that is second term, 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. And if I find A3, I'll get 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. And now I form an AP 7, 11, 15, etc. And here A is 7 and D is 11 minus 7, that is I'll get 4, or else 15 minus 11 also I'll get 4 only. Now they ask us to find sum of the first 15 terms. So it means S15 we have to find. So Sn formula we know, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into what is a we have, that is first term. Yeah, a is 7 plus 15 minus 1 into what is d? 4. So 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 into 4. Yeah. So what we will get? 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56. So 15 by 2 into, yes, 14 plus 56 is 70. So when I cancel, what I'll get? 35. 2 1s are 2, 2 70 is a, so 2 35 is a 70. When I multiply 15 and 35, I'll get 525. So sum of first 15 terms is 525 for the first one. Shall we do the second one? The same procedure only. Okay. Shall we do it? Yeah. See the second sum, second subdivision. What is given in the second subdivision? A(n) is equal to 9 minus 5n. Okay. So A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. It means 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. That is 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. Then next A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. That is 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 6. Okay. So it forms an AP 4, minus 1, minus 6, etc. It goes on. What is the first term? A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 1 minus 4, that we will get minus 5, or else we can take like this, minus 6 plus 1 we will get minus 5 only. Now let us find Sn in this place. How will you find Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So sum of 15 terms, no? S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus n is 15. 15 minus 1 into what is d? Minus 5. Okay. So 15 by 2 into 8 plus 14 into minus 5. So 15 by 2 into 8 plus 14 into minus 5, what we will get? Minus 70. Okay. So 15 by 2 into minus 62. Yes, 8 minus 70 is minus 62. When I cancel that, I will get minus 31. So 15 into minus 31, 15 into minus 31, I will get minus 465. So S15 is equal to minus 465. Do you understand this? Thank you, children.